Even with a professional cleaning team, a truly clean workplace takes everyone pitching in. Here's how to build a culture of cleanliness your whole team can get behind. It starts at the top. When management keeps a clean desk, the rest of the team follows. Demonstrate proper disposal habits, recycle correctly, and show respect for shared spaces. Make cleanliness easy. Stock cleaning wipes and sanitizer right at workstations. Place clearly labeled recycling and trash bins where people actually need them. Keep kitchen and break room supplies stocked and accessible at all times. Set clear expectations. Post simple guidelines in shared spaces so everyone knows the standard. Send periodic reminders about kitchen etiquette and shared space expectations. Recognize teams and individuals who keep their areas looking sharp. Make it part of the culture. When issues come up, handle them privately. Focus on solutions, not blame. Employee participation works best alongside professional cleaning support. Your team handles daily tidiness. The professionals handle deep cleaning and the specialized tasks. Let picture-perfect cleaning handle the heavy lifting so your team can focus on simple upkeep and their core responsibilities.